Take back control from acid reflux with these pointers. Acid reflux can help make sure that you never feel comfortable no matter your surroundings. You don't want to suffer through this day after day. Instead, you want a life that is free of this harmful and painful condition. Keep watching to find out how you can do this for yourself with some simple tips and tricks. You need to exercise if you have gout, but don't overdo it. Losing weight is a huge factor in controlling acid reflux, so go out for a run, play some soccer or go for a swim. That said, don't push your body too hard or you may find your gout becomes active. Skinny jeans are the enemy of the acid reflux sufferer. Wearing tight clothes can block up your digestive system, causing you a great deal of pain when acid begins to back up. Go for elastic waistbands until you have your acid reflux under control, then you can consider getting back into your tight-fitting pants. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. Always keep gravity in mind. Remember that acid is being held down, so when you position your body in a way where down isn't towards your feet, problems will ensue. Keep your head up and your stomach uncompressed, then you should be able to find relief from acid reflux all day long. Take the advice that has been given to you here, and work towards eliminating acid reflux from your life. It's not going to happen instantly, but you can be assured that the strategies here will help you. Do not subject yourself to that daily discomfort any longer, and make sure that you follow the advice that has been given to you. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.